Hello children, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss triangle and its property in chapter 11. I have already taught in your online classes and I have sent via your study materials. So a triangle is a closed and simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Okay. Types of triangle on the basis of side. If three sides of a triangle are different, we know as a scalene triangle. If any two sides are equal, this type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. If all the three sides are equal, known as an equilateral triangle. Now types of triangle on the basis of angles. Acute angle triangle. If all the three angles are acute, means less than 90 degree, is known as an equilateral. Means acute angle triangle. Right triangle triangle. If one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, is known as a right triangle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. If one angle of a triangle is greater than what? 90 degree, means obtuse, is known as obtuse angle triangle. Medians of a triangle. What do you mean by medians of a triangle? The line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side is called median of the triangle. Altitude of a triangle. The perpendicular line. This perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called altitude of the triangle. Now few sum I am going to solve. You have to see. In the adjoining figure, exercise 11.1, question number, name the vertex opposite to PQ, and that answer will be solution 1 of 1 is R. 2, it will be name the side opposite to vertex Q. Vertex Q, it will be PR. Number 3, it is given name the angle opposite to QR. That is P, angle P. Angle P. Number 4, name the side opposite to angle R. It will be PQ. Write down please. Now question number 2, it is given according to the figure we have to name the triangle by side and by angle. See the side 6 cm, 7 cm, 7 cm. Two sides are equal, means therefore this triangle is known as what? According to the side wise, it is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Write down please. Now see the angle. All the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore it will be acute angle triangle. Write down please. Acute angle triangle. Write down. Question number 3, according to your question, it is given in the adjoining figure triangle PQR, if D is the midpoint of QR, then PM is, first of all you see your figure, then PM is what? Altitude. PD is median. Okay, and is QM equal to MR? Our answer will be no. Write down please. See exercise 11.1, question number 5, it is given according to your book. Can you think of a triangle in which two altitude of the triangle are its sides? If yes, draw a rough sketch to show such a case. First of all, you draw two triangle. Now see, this will be our figure. Here AB is altitude, here BC is altitude. Two same triangle but two different altitude. Write down please. Exercise 11.2, question number 1, it is given according to the figure. This is known as the exterior angle, means outside of the triangle, and this is two angles are known as interior angles. In a triangle, as we know, three interior angles are there. So find the value of x. As we know, exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite. This is your exterior angle and its opposite two angles are what? This one and this one. Means sum of two opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. So here 45 degree, x equal to 45 degree plus 65 degree means 110 degree. 110 degree. Write down please. Question number third first, according to your figure, find the value of x. Same, because as we know, this is exterior angle, this is opposite interior angle. So sum of, exterior angle equal to what? Exterior, write down solution. Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. Sum of two interior angles. So therefore exterior angle is given 105 degree and two opposite interior angle is what? X plus 2x, that is 3x equal to 105 degree. Therefore x equal to what? I can write this implies that x equal to 105 by 3, that is 35 degree. 35 degree. Therefore x equal to 35 degree. Write down please. X equal to 35 degree. Write down. Question number 5 first, we have to find out the value of x and y. Here three angles are given, interior angles are given and one exterior angles are given. As we know, write down 50 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Y? Sum of two opposite interior angle equal to exterior angle, means sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Write down here. Therefore this implies that x equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore x equal to 70 degree. Now sum of angles of a triangle. Now sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So the value of x you put here, 70 degree plus 50 degree plus y equal to 120 degree. Therefore 180 degree na, because triangle I am taken 180 degree. So y equal to 180 and their sum equal to 120 degree. It will be what? Write down 60 degree. It will be 60 degree. Therefore y equal to 60 degree, x equal to 70 degree. Write down please. Now see 11.2 question number 730. It is given according to the figure. This is x, this is y, this is z, this is 143, this is 52 degree, this is 80 degree. From here I can find out easily x, y, sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So one is x, one is 80 degree, one is 50 degree. So equal to 180 degree. As we know, sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. From here I can find out the value of x. The value of x will be 48 degree. Now here you see this line is creating a straight line. So it will be a linear pair. Z and 43 are forming a linear pair, means adjacent linear pair. Okay. So therefore z plus 140 degree equal to 180 degree. It will forming a linear pair. Therefore value of z will be 37 degree. Now see here creating one more small triangle, x plus y plus z. I already got the value of x and z. So I can put x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree because sum of angles of a triangle. So the value of x equal to 48 degree and value of y we have to find out, and z equal to 37 degree equal to 180 degree. So I can write y equal to 180 degree minus, take 48 degree this side, 48 degree minus 37 degree equal to 95 degree. 95 degree. This is your required answer. Write down please. See, it is given three angles are given 11, 1. It is, can a triangle have a three angles whose measures are 65 degrees, 74 degree, 39 degree. As we know, sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So I am written here 180 degree. Now 65 degree plus 74 degree plus 39 degree, if you add, it will come 178 degree, but 178 degree is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore no, these are not angles of a triangle. Write down. Now see, it is given according to your figure exercise 11.3. This is 50 degree, this is x. We have to find out x. See, this side is equal to this side, it is already given. So therefore x equal to 50 degree. Why? It is equal because in a triangle, angle opposite to, in a triangle, angles opposite. This is a short form of angle, this is a short form of triangle. Angle opposite to equal, sides are equal. Equal sides are means equal sides are equal angle. Write down please. Now question number 6, it is given in an isosceles triangle a base angle is 4 times its vertical angle. Find all the angles of a triangle. First of all, write down solution. Let base angle be x, and vertical angle be y. Okay, so given, what is given? Given base angle equal to 4 into vertical angle. 4 into vertical angle, that means x equal to 4y. So sum of angles of a triangle equal to what? 180 degree, as we know. So I can write y plus base angle equal to 180 degree, and x equal to what? 4y, because it is given 4 times na. So I can write y plus 4y plus 4y equal to 180 degree. This implies that, therefore 4, 4, 8, 9y equal to 180 degree. Therefore y equal to what? 9 to the 80. Therefore y equal to 20 degree. Y equal to 20 degree, and x, and so write down x equal to 4y. So x equal to what? 4 into, put the value of y, 80 degree. Therefore angles are what? 80 degree and 20 degree. Now sum of angles, you can find out, you can verify this one. 80 plus 80, 160 plus 20. That's the maximum question from 11.3. Write down please. Now 11.4. Now remember children, we are discussing about the reduced syllabus. So you have to follow this. I have sent one PDF of reduced syllabus, so you have to see the syllabus. According to syllabus you have to go. So it is given 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, or 5 centimeter. Is it a form a triangle or not? As we know, a triangle can form if sum of the two side is always greater than the third side. First of all, any two side you add. I'm adding greater than the third side. So 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter equal to 5 centimeter. So it is equal, but it will be greater than a triangle can form. So therefore sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side. So it is not possible. Sum of the two sides always greater than third side. Sum of two sides. This is two sides. Sum of two side must be greater than sum of two side always, or must be, you can write at any, must be right, because it will be must be greater than the third side to form a triangle. Therefore it is not possible. Therefore it is not possible. Write down please. Now question number 2, it is given, if the length of two sides are given triangle are 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter, then what can be the length of the third side? So first of all we have to write down the sum of two sides. Sum of two sides is, it is given 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter equal to 17 centimeter. And difference 10 centimeter minus 7 centimeter equal to 3 centimeter. Now here we can see we can observe the length of, means difference is 3 and sum is 13. So therefore the length of third side will be what? The length of third side will be greater than what? Greater than 3 centimeter and less than 17 centimeter. Write down please.